If you're seeing the cannot download photo or unable to download error when trying to download photos from iCloud on your iPhone, it could be due to issues with your network, iCloud settings, or even storage space. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix this problem step by step. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, open any browser and visit fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is slow, try turning on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Also, moving closer to your Wi-Fi router might improve the connection. Solution 2. Sign out and back into iCloud. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in using your Apple ID. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open your Settings app. Tap on General and then select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap on Download and Install to get the latest version. Solution 4. Enable Wi-Fi and mobile data for background app refresh. Open Settings. Tap General, scroll down again and tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh once more. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and tap Reset Network Settings again. After that, the issue should be resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the cannot download photo or unable to download errors on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.